What to do if your Heath, Ohio air conditioner is not blowing cold air. When this happens, sometimes you can fix the problem yourself. Try these few simple measures first. If they don't work, call a professional air conditioning repair service. Dor-Mar Heating and Air Conditioning. First, check the thermostat. And adjust it if necessary. Be sure the thermostat is set to cool and set to a lower temperature than the outside air. Check your HVAC system's filters. A central air system blows air across an evaporator coil to cool your home. Dirty HVAC filters can block airflow across the coil and can cause ice to form on the coils, preventing the AC from working properly or at all. Get a spring AC tune-up and replace the filters. Then check them monthly and replace as necessary. Check the outside unit of your AC system. One problem might be foreign objects blocking airflow to your outside unit. You should remove dead leaves, branches, twigs, and any plant overgrowth around the outside AC unit. Clean the condenser fins with a proper AC cleaning agent and carefully rinse clean with a garden hose. Check the outside fuse block or breaker. If tripped, reset the breaker or replace the fuses. Want to prevent air conditioner problems on a hot day? In Heath? For best results, have your AC serviced each spring. Ensure filters are replaced, coolant levels are ideal, and that there are no additional issues that could prevent your air conditioning from working. Dor-Mar Heating and Air Conditioning. The absolute best service to keep your home's heating and cooling systems running smoothly. Schedule an appointment for AC repair or air conditioning maintenance with us today. Use the convenient form on our website, or call 740-345-6639. In Heath, Ohio, and surrounding areas. We pride ourselves on our customer-focused service, and our reputation shows it. Dor-Mar Heating and Air Conditioning services Heath, Ohio and all of Licking County. Call 740-345-6639 or visit dormarhvac.com.